What do you want?
Oh, the papa.
You want a baba?
Okay.
Come on. What's wrong?
The huggy. I'm hungry.
You hungry? What do you want to eat?
Mommy,
Yes?
I got that cookie.
A cookie? No, no cookies. No cookies. You want a waffle?
Okay. Mommy, what's this?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Mama.
Jamaica?
Mama,
Come.
this is our version on the car.
Oh, this is why you don't wheelie a Harley, dumbass.
Honey.
Nothing says.
Mom, look a happy face.
Yes, you have a happy face. Oh, it's only that. Hi, Mason. Zoe, come. You gotta wait for mommy, okay? Where we going? We're gonna get something to eat. Are you hungry?
No. Apple.
You're not hungry? I think you are.
Apple. apple.
Apple? Okay. Your cheap date. Come here. Did anything come off or no? She's like, you haven't shopped in 8,000 years. Nothing came off. Come on, let's walk. You're a big boy, right? Come on.
Remember when I used to buy stuff
I do.
So go ahead.
It seemed like a hassle with them. It's alright, it's fine. I'll do it another day.
There's a lot of outfits I've never seen before.
I know, I want to get some sexy stuff too.
Right here.
Mason.
Daddy's here.
Mason.
Daddy's here. It's okay. Get ready to jump, okay?
Let go, mommy. Let go, mommy.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah. All right. Come on. Let's go.
Okay, here, we're gonna hold Daddy's hand. Go ahead.
Mommy.
Come on. Let's walk.
Mason, walk.
Raspberry margarita. Ooh, that sounds good. Take that from him, please.
Thank you, baby. I got it.
Oh, strawberry margarita. Yeah. Yeah. That's what we're doing.
Here, Mason.
Sit back.
I'm sorry.
Baby, you gotta drink some water. Here, drink water. Drink water. Girl.
What do you want to drink?
Strawberry margarita.
Strawberry margarita grande, ma'am.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will have the. You know what? I'll try the Mexican mojito.
Okay, one Mexican mojito, one strawberry margarita grande.
Yes.
Are you ready, sir?
Can I have a tacos de birria?
Tacos de birria? Okay.
Rice and black. All right, I'll try the taco.
Tacos?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good.
So, anything else?
What about them?
I'm gonna
You
give
share?
them my tacos.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, French fries.
French fries?
That would be great. Thank you.
That's everything? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, one tacos de birria, one fish tacos, and one french fries.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Nancy, 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 Nancy.